Problem number 14 is a multiplication problem. For a multiplication problem, I do not need to find a common denominator. I need to factor first. The factors of 16 are 1 and 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. Since everything is positive here, I'm going to use the 4 and the other 4. The factors of 24 are 1 and 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. This is a negative 24, and so I will use this pair with a positive 4 and a negative 6 to add up to the 2 right here. This is going to factor out a 2 out of this numerator right here, and this is x plus 4. So what will cancel? This cancels that term. This cancels that term. What is left? X plus 2 over the denominator. That is what is left. Problem number 15 is a division problem. To complete a division problem, you flip the divisor. You use the reciprocal of the second fraction. The first fraction stays the same. 3x squared minus 15x minus 150. The last fraction stays the same. The divisor flips over. Here is my next step. I need to factor an x out of this numerator. X squared plus 3x minus 10. I need to factor a 3 out of this denominator. X squared minus 5x minus 50. I need to factor a 3 out of this, x minus 10. This will factor into x minus 3, x plus 2. X minus 3, x plus 5. This will cancel this. This 3 will cancel this 3. And then there is some more factoring that I can do. This right here, I have an x, and the factors of 10 are 5 and 2. This will factor into x minus 2, x plus 5. The factors of 50 are 5 and 10. That canceled out. I have an x minus 10, an x plus 2. That canceled out, and I have an x plus 5. Let's see what else will cancel out. The x minus 2 should, right there, let me back up. Right here in this step right here, this should have been a minus 2. This should have been a minus 2, and it is not a plus 2. This is an x minus 2, so this will cancel this. This will cancel this. This will cancel that. And then what we have left is x over x plus 5. That is the final answer after I fixed my sign mistake. Problem number 17 is a subtraction problem. It already has a common denominator, but as I told you in class, you will make fewer mistakes if you will change the subtraction to adding a negative. And so nothing factors, nothing cancels. It already has a common denominator, so that is all you can do. It would be perfectly acceptable also to write the answer like this. You cannot cancel the 9s because of the subtraction glue. Problem number 18 is an addition problem that already has a common denominator, so you add the numerators. It looks like you could factor something out of this numerator. I can factor out an 8. And then this will cancel, and so the final answer is 8.